No, not yet.
Good morning, welcome back to another video. It is August 6th. I've had a total of 14 contractions, 3 of which have been sporadic, others close together. We have been documenting everything. Called Banner. They said to come up and get checked out. I don't know if, I don't know the plan yet, but we're getting everyone ready. Come along with this crazy journey we call life. I just let my dad know. He just texted me for his first break this morning. Been keeping my mom, my sister, Facebook, just everyone else know, including Josh's boss, or else he would be at work right now.
Or
and
heading to work.
Yeah, I'm super scared, y'all. I've been doing this since last night. I'll keep y'all updated and telling y'all. Okay, you guys, so I still have very little space on my phone, but you guys know from the clip that I posted on Snapchat. Yes. Hey, you guys, so I've been here since what?
No, after 10.
I've been contracting a lot since 8:15, and now they're just kind of sporadic. My dad left. They gave me some fluids, juice, popsicle, ice chips, Jello, drew some labs, checked my cervix twice, finger dilated, I'm on a fluid, and
I will put you in your car seat.
yeah, they said they gave me some food, 2 trays, cheeseburger, disgusting, especially when cold, because they have me on 2 baby monitors, one for the baby and one for the contractions, both wireless and not. IV thing, and yeah, Josh is here with me. He got into some trouble. Just a warning, because he doesn't know what he's doing when driving, and I let him drive from Caleb's to here, and he got in trouble. Just a warning, but yeah. I legit have no idea what is happening, if I'm giving birth today or not. I have no idea. All I know is the food is disgusting cold, and yeah, I know what it is. Alright, y'all, it is 3:27. My dad left. The nurse came in, took me to the bathroom, bleeding a little bit with a little bit of mucus plug. Had my first bowel movement here. Josh and Elijah are over there, and I guess can't really see because of the thing. Elijah is being very loud, and I called my mom, and yeah, he's hands and knees crawling now. I just saw that, and yeah.
Tell Mama how good that stuff is. No. Okay, I get it. You want what? You can't. Okay. He jumped in the back. Hey, no. You know a time?
Hey y'all, so as you guys can tell, I'm 37 weeks in a day, and I'm in the hospital. But y'all are wondering what the hell is happening, and I will be putting this in post and on my story as well. And on the Walker Fam, Walker Gaming TikToks as well. But August 5th, went upstairs around 7 o'clock. having contractions, don't know how long, far apart, whatever. And then 10:09 was really having a lot of pelvic pressure. Stayed up till about 11 o'clock that night, counting contractions. I was keeping an eye on when they would end and how long. Josh would keep an eye on how far apart they were. Some sporadic, some close together. Today, around 8:15, 27 contractions. There have been clearly a lot more since I have been in the hospital and everything, but that is a total of how much we counted just this morning. And we have screenshots on our phones, which I will be posting later on. Yeah, you guys will be seeing everything, especially since this is my last baby. Everything that I'm going through, you guys will be seeing. It took about an hour to get the girls and everything ready to go to their dads because they have been a handful, especially today. We took them to their dads. Josh insisted on driving from Caleb's house to here and got in trouble with the police. He just got a warning and everything. My dad was here for like the longest time recently, just took off. I called my mom. My cousin Anna called. I've been keeping everyone updated family-wise. I kept Snapchat updated. Snapchat is and YouTube on Savannah Hebel and the Walker fam, but I have not done any other social medias yet. My appetite is extremely low. They are giving me fluids, and Jello and water and ice chips and Gatorade and juice and everything. We are here with Elijah. Like I said, the girls are at their dad's, which is not that far from here. And yeah, we've been here since about after 10. It is now 4:30. I have no idea what is happening. I have some fluid in my cervix. I am bleeding. And with the blood and everything, Lee Part, which is the OBGYN at this very moment, doesn't feel comfortable sending me home. So we're doing just observations, cervix checks. Every so often, I'm about a finger dilated. The nurse does not know what she's doing when she's checking me. So when she checks me, it hurts 10 times worse. But when Lee Part and my regular OBGYN, Dr. Wong, check me, I feel more relaxed and comfortable with them. And it doesn't hurt at all. My anxiety is through the roof and everything. Sometimes there's more blood, other times there's not. It literally is just random. Around the time when we are home, this would be the time that the contractions and everything start up really, really bad. So I'm kind of hoping that things start to progress. Like I said, Josh has Elijah right now. They're kind of taking a tour of the hospital and everything. He's fighting sleep and everything, and yeah. I'm going to try eating a little bit more, seeing if they can heat up what's left, and go from there. Elijah's been eating a little bit of my food as well, because he does eat regular food. Malakie is still kicking, moving, like nothing with him, other than his heart rate being a little low at first, has changed. So, yeah. Don't stop now. Oh, baby's got his first hiccup.